A very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss this particular question. This is a question which was asked on September the 11th for the real Ielts exam for the general candidate students. In many countries, people now wear Western style dress such as suits and jeans rather than traditional clothing. Why is this? Is this a positive or negative development? The question asked in many countries, it means not in one particular country. In many countries, today people wear Western style dress such as suits and jeans rather than traditional clothing. So they are going and wearing fashionable clothes such as suits and jeans rather than traditional outfits which fits to their own culture. So you know that different parts of the world have different outfits, dressing style. In Africa it is different, in Asia it's different. In case of Aborigines in Australia, they have a different lifestyle. In case of people in Antarctica or Alaska, they have different clothing style. So we have differences in clothing style, dressing style, different parts. Now people wear Western style dress. So what you mean by Western style? Most of the parts of the Europe and the West, this is called Western style of dress. Why people are wearing this Western style of dress rather like jeans and suits rather than traditional clothing. So we need to analyze what are the reasons for this thing objectively. And we need to say whether it is positive or negative development. So we have two questions. First question is, why is this happening? Second question is this a positive or negative development? So we have a statement part in the question. In many countries, this is the situation. And now the second thing is that what is the reason? And is this a positive or negative development? That's it. Now, let's see the introduction. It is common to see many people across the world adopting the dressing style of the West and neglecting the significance of their own traditional outfits. So it's very common that people across the world adopting dressing style of the West and neglecting the significance on their own, neglecting traditional outfits. That's it. Need to make it simple. There are multiple reasons behind this, more than one reasons behind this, and it has both merits and demerits. So simple. It was looking a little bit complex. I made it a little bit simpler because it's a general question, general task 2 question. So made very simple, concise, very understandable to the reader, to the examiner. Now the first question, I'm going to answer the question number 1. Why is this? Why is this? One of the significant reasons behind this trend is the advancement of information technology. It is the advancement of information technology. To be precise, media showcase the adorable aspects of Western style, which reaches a wider population than in the past because of technological advancements. So it is because of the information technology. Explanation is given. To be precise, Media showcase the adorable aspects of Western style, the positive aspects of Western style, which reaches a wider population than in the past because of the technological advancement. More people watch these adorable style. In the past, less people did watch these things. Now more population is watching this thing. This is one reason. In addition, there are people who think that wearing this would uplift their social status and dignity. This is another reason. And some wear jeans and suits as they feel it is comfortable. Third reason. The last one, their job demands it. Fourth reason. So we have said multiple reasons. There are multiple reasons behind these things. And these are the multiple reasons there. All these things. One main reason is explained and rest of the reasons are listed out. So it is impossible to write everything and describing it in the paragraphs. We have two more questions. We have one more question to answer. That is the thing. So if I have only one question, I would have focused on reason number one, why it happened. Reason number two, why it happened like that. It's not possible here. I just need to be very formal and concise because we have to answer two questions. Now I have said that it has both positive and negative things, merits and demerits at all. When analyzing the positive side of this trend, people who wear Western outfits report that it gives them a sense of confidence and freedom. That is the first positive side when analyzing the positive side of this trend. To be clearer, many traditional outfits are designed and worn in a complex way, but this is not the case of Western dress. Now, in Western dress, it's very comfortable to wear, but in traditional outfits, we know that it is designed in a complex way, and it is to be worn in a complex way. Moreover, it should be seen as a step towards uniformity, towards equality. To be precise, when the dressing style becomes standard and uniform, now I don't need to be precise here. Just want this. When the dressing style becomes standard and uniform in nature, it brings a sense of equality among people. That's it. Positive side, confidence and freedom, it's reported. Number two, a sense of uniformity. Now let's go ahead with the criticism. That is the negative side is cultural dilution. It means each culture has its own identity, and this identity is usually reflected in the dressing style of their customs and their customs. The intrusion of Western culture would dissolve such unique features. Another problem is that in many geographical areas, the climate would not be suitable to wear Western style outfits. In tropical areas, Western style outfits are not suitable because it's too humid. So humidity is a problem. In desert areas, arid areas, you won't be comfortable in Western outfits like jeans and suits. That's the thing here. To conclude, it is clear that technology and individual preferences are the main reasons why growing numbers. So technology and individual preferences. We have summarized the first. So significant reasons: information technology, social status, dignity, all these as personal preferences. These are the main reasons. And the trend has both positive and negative impacts. So in the conclusion, I have given the answer: technology and individual preferences are the reasons, and it has both positive and negative impacts when looked from different angles. So when we look from this angle, from the cultural point of view, it is negative. In the climatic point of view, it is negative. But when we look into an equality style, then it is positive. Fashion, it's positive. Comfortable, it's positive. So all these things we have positive. So it is a way people look at this thing. So we have concluded this essay. So a neutrality is maintained between the positive and negative aspects. The reasons are said in an objective way. So the essay is concluded there. Thank you.